Look at that, mate.
Lovely, man.
No, so,
Catching dust, mate, then catching dust, but you know what?
mate,
It's
definitely not a day on it.
So the other ones, because they're so rusty,
Throw them in
no,
the bin.
they're still nice. No, they're still come out just as nice, but they've just got a few bits.
No, you don't need to
stuff.
justify yourself, man. It's
So
cool.
what I'm going to do, I'm going to flatten them down for you. You know, a bit of 2000, 3000, polish them over on the lacquer because it's a nice thick layer anyway, powder. And then, you know what, because I want them to look nice.
Yeah, of course.
They look just as nice as this, but you want to be that extra.
Right, ladies and gents, it's now wheel day. I'm now taking these wheels off to go to a wheel specialist in Warsaw. We're going to go there now, give them a bit of a feature, and see if we can actually record the process of them, or not so much the process, but basically see what they do to get these wheels nice. Hopefully they can give me a bit of a discount. So yeah, let's get these wheels off and take them down to Warsaw, well, up to Warsaw. My only problem is I've only got two of these, which is the terrible factor. So this is going to be fun. It's going to be really bloody fun. This is. Just quickly, this wheel, as you can see, the only imperfection on the diamond cut is there. I mean, this wheel is just, the wheel's cracked, but my god, this wheel is impeccable. Even the inside, it's not that bad. Right then, ladies and gentlemen, all wheels off. Let's get to broke me camera. Let's get to Warsaw. Can't believe I just smashed my camera though. Well, that's pissed me off. Anyway. Ladies and gentlemen, we're nearly here.
In a quarter of a mile, your destination will be on the right.
Yeah, we're nearly here. Eli alloy wheel refurbishment specialists, all the details are there. So basically what's happening now is we're going to hit a car. We're going to drop the wheels off. I've pulled right outside, we need to park right in front. Now these lads, I mean, I was thinking kind of ghetto, but these lads are extremely professional. I mean, I've just walked into their shop and I mean, bloody hell, they're not short of a few quid. So yeah, these e-light specialists are the ones to come to in the local area. So if you're in Warsaw, Birmingham, Wolverhampton, definitely come to this place. Watching my wheels actually go in.
Yeah, that's it. So starts here.
Okay.
All the wheels come here, the lads strip them down. All the buckle repairs are checked here.
Okay.
Prep station, that's where they get sanded down. Prep.
Okay.
Shot blaster, wet blaster. That's the diamond cut lathe. So if they were to go diamond cut, the lads will put them in here.
This is a very expensive machine,
That's
isn't
the
it?
one, yeah. This is a CNC lathe.
Wow.
So that's where all the special stuff takes place.
So I'm not actually going diamond cut, ladies and gents, because I wanted to, but it's quite costly, isn't it?
It
really?
is, it is.
And here's all the swarf, I call it,
That's all
shavings,
yeah. Then yeah, you've got the powder coat booth in there. So that's where all the powdering process takes place.
Okay.
So yeah, it's quite a process. These are wheels that are just all acid dipped back to bare metal.
So these are freshly ready to get painted,
That's
aren't
it,
they?
they're ready soon, yeah.
What are they on?
They're off a racing car, a Beetle.
A Beetle, okay.
Beetle, yeah. You guys
Racing Beetle?
Racing Beetle,
Oh,
yeah. So it's done like a gold spec there, going orange actually.
Okay.
So yeah, it's a piece
It's
of
nice, it's lovely.
Yeah, nice.
I'm glad my wheels are coming in because I was expecting some ghetto place.
Yeah, no.
Just pass the wheels, come back and they're gone.
Done.
No, it's good.
Yeah,
It's
we
lovely,
do everything
thank you.
properly anyway, start to finish.
No, it's good, mate.
Yeah.
Where's that one wheel? Which one is it? It's...
Well, at least the guys I've seen them beforehand now.
Yeah.
So when they're done with them, you know, look at that.
That's terrible.
Wow.
So what colour did you say we're going to have?
We're going to go for a deckle silver.
Okay, brilliant.
And that's
have you got
very...
any of that?
Let's have a look. Let me see if I can get any on the shelf somewhere.
Right.
So I'd say almost like this. This is like one of our spare wheels.
Yeah, yeah.
You can see like it's a bit dusty now anyway. But,
No, it's nice.
You know, look,
It's got a nice
when
shine
you wipe
as well.
the dust, can you see that?
Yeah, it's lovely.
That's beautiful, that is.
That is nice. It's definitely going to set this car off.
So when you see that in the sun, I'll bring it outside for you.
Okay.
Let's bring it outside.
Oh, that
See that
pops,
straight
doesn't
away?
it? Yeah.
Look at that. Look at that, mate.
It's definite.
Yeah. So it's going to have a nice flick, nice shine. It's not too in your face.
No, it's not,
you know,
no.
It's just nice.
Brilliant, mate. Thank you.
But yeah, I think that's what we're going to go for anyway.
Okay.
So you're going to expect something like this.
Yeah, sound.
But on every wheel, that paint applies different because these are multi-spokes. That's like a full face wheel, so it's going to look
Well,
similar.
that's the flat in it.
Exactly. So that might even be more shinier. You just don't know.
Yeah.
Until we apply the paint on the wheels.
Brilliant.
But yeah, that's what we're going for.
I'm well looking forward. So it's turning around about 2 days, isn't it?
Around 2 days. Yeah.
That's brilliant.
2 days, yeah.
Absolutely brilliant. So what we do, I'll put all his information below, and we'll be back in 2 days to pick the wheels up.
Yeah.
So Matt, you're a legend. Thank
Lovely.
you.
No
Cheers.
problem at all. No worries.
Well then, hello. It's now a couple of days since we dropped the wheels off, so I was going to give them a call and see if the wheels are actually ready. Call him. How's it going, chap? You alright, mate? Yeah. I'm just ringing to see if my wheels are ready. Yeah, it's Stokesy, yeah. Okay. Oh, brilliant, thank you. Well, it's going to take me about an hour to get to you. Is that okay? Yeah, okay. Okay then. Okay, I'll speak to you soon. Thank you, buddy. Speak to you after. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Brilliant, they're ready. Right then, let's jump in the car and go and collect our wheels. I'm a bit apprehensive because, yeah, I want them to be perfect, and I think E-Light have got it in the bag. So let's jump in the car and go and get them. Brilliant.
Yes, come on.
How you doing, mate?
How are you doing?
So yes, when I came the other day, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, good man. When I came the other day on the motor, not off the motorway here.
Yeah.
Today, took me on a sightseeing tour, man. I went everywhere.
Scenic route, yeah. Yeah, man.
You're right, yeah.
Yeah, son.
Look at that, man.
Lovely, man.
Man, so
Catching dust, mate, then catching dust, but you know what?
Man,
compared to how bad
it's
they were.
definitely not a day on it.
So the other ones, because they're so rusty,
throw them in
no,
the bin.
they're still nice. No, they're still come out just as nice, but they've just got a few bits.
No, you don't need to justify yourself, man. It's
So
cool.
what I'm going to do, I'm going to flatten them down for you. You know, a bit of 2000, 3000, polish them over on the lacquer because it's a nice thick layer anyway, powder. And then, you know what, because I want them to look nice.
Yeah, of course.
They look just as nice as this, but I just want them to be that extra, you know what I mean?
Bling.
Bling, you know what I mean? But yeah, considering how rusted these were, you know what, they come out alright, because remember
lovely,
this?
Man. Yeah, they're nice. It doesn't matter.
Remember what I said about the pits?
Yeah, you ain't going to see that
though,
are you?
metal, yeah. Well, good job is because it's got like a full face, you can't really see.
Yeah, it's good, man.
Can't really see inside, innit? You know what I mean? But yeah, man, when the sun's on it,
It's lovely, it's lovely.
Lovely,
Look at that. Ooh. Ladies and gentlemen, that is beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Right, ladies and gentlemen, we have officially picked up the wheels. I am over the moon with the quality and the workmanship of what. Bloody hell, just in a nice car then. With what Elite have done. We are now going to head home and put them on. The centre caps need a bit of a touch up, so I'll do those when I get back. Next time you'll see the car is with the wheels on, and yeah, hopefully it makes the car look a little bit better. Huge shout out to Elite for basically sorting me out and getting the wheels back to how they should be. Now I know I should have gone with the diamond cut, but you know, needs must, and I just wanted to get the wheels looking a little bit better than they actually were. So yeah, again, thanks to Elite for sorting me out. And if you want to use their expertise and get your wheels done, links are below. Not hard to find. Like I say, if you're in the Wolverhampton, Birmingham, Warsaw, Dudley area, they're the place to go to. So yeah, I will speak to you all momentarily. Right then, ladies and gentlemen. We are officially. I'll have to put you there. It is a bit of a weird place to put you. I do apologise, but it is the first maiden voyage of the Mercedes W202. It is the MOT day. Right then, we are here. I do think there's a track rod end on the front that is a bit dicky. Because on full lock it feels like a bit clunky. We'll see what he says. We'll see what he says. Right then, you join me in this beautiful, picturesque area of England. It's actually called the Wire Forest, and I thought it'd be a fantastic place to kind of showcase the finished result, the finished Mercedes W202. Now this has come out exceptionally well. I'm quite proud of myself. Tap on the old back, Stu. A lot of doubters, a lot of people questioning this vehicle, but as you can see, it has come out fantastic. Now I have mentioned before in previous episodes of this Mercedes, this isn't something that I would have actually bought myself. I've never really fancied these, but having spent the amount of time that I have spent on it, appreciating it, I'm kind of getting turned around on it. It is a beautiful car. It is the last of the 90s Mercedes that were actually built by Mercedes itself. So yeah, what can I say? It's been a fantastic journey. The wheels have come out fantastic. The interior is, mind the drink, fantastic. Overall, the car has come out a treat, and I'm very, very proud of it. If anybody is interested in this vehicle, please put a message in the box below or email me on this email address and we can have a chat. It is for sale. I'm not keeping it. I'd like to, but I just need to move on to a new project now. This has been a fantastic series, and yes, hopefully we could do more like this on the channel. This draws this series to a conclusion. It is now done. We have completed a vehicle revival, restoration, kind of. We have brought this car back to life. We have got another car on the road. There's not much more I can say. I've said enough basically about this car. I'm very tired. I wanna just go home now, and it's still early in the morning. So but yeah, it's been a journey to say the least. So I'm gonna call this video a done video. So I do hope you've enjoyed the series. We're going to try and do more of this type of series in the coming months, coming weeks on the channel. So I do hope you've enjoyed it. So from me, Stokesy, thanks for watching. Remember, don't limit yourself, and as always, keep the car hunts alive, and I will see you tomorrow. No, actually it'll be next weekend. I'll see you next weekend. What a beautiful, beautiful turnout. Well happy.